Wonderland is Slinky Dog Dash. Andy has built a coaster track all over his backyard using his mega coaster play kit. But as you know, he's got a pretty amazing imagination, so he's combined it with some of his other toys. You'll see Slinky, of course, who's so cute, which Andy has made into the coaster train that you get to ride in. And you'll see Rex, Jessie, Wheezy, Mr. Spell, and Mike along the way. You will zip, dodge, and dash around many fun turns and drops that Andy has created to really make Slinky and his coils stretch to the limits. It's a fun and exhilarating family coaster attraction, and it'll be one that you're going to want to do over and over again. So at Imagineering, we do little animatics of these attractions. So I want to show you an excerpt video that we put together so you can see how thrilling and fun this family coaster is going to be.